We were tired. People told us you need minimum 2 seasons for the Met. They were right. We needed a break. Once again, Flagstaff and Beneteau organized for us to go to Kenai, where SAS will get our boat ready for the Atlantic crossing, fix all the issues that popped up along the way, and give us a much-needed break.
We even had the boat out of the water, compliments of SAS, to patch up the copper coat. While the boat was out of the water, we used that opportunity to go to Paris for a few days. We had accommodation organised with family, so it was a perfect opportunity. Boat was in Kenai for 3 weeks. At the end of the 3 weeks, we felt like we had a new boat. Hugo was ready. Clean bottom, 2 extra solar panels, all warranty issues sorted and plus some. And to add to that, Mika from Flagstaff hand-delivered a brand new radar for us from Sydney, which we managed to install on our own, and that exercise saved us about $3,000. So thank you again, Mika.
Hey, I need to pull out a little bit of this cable out.
Okay, pull it. Then we're on our way. It felt like we were running away from winter.
Freezing! What is going on?
You tell me.
It's not what I signed up for.
It only took us 3 legs to get to Gibraltar. And it wasn't the Met cruising we signed up for either. 2 nights to Cartagena, Spain. If you can get past the rain and 40-knot winds, it's a town worth visiting. Ecodauchi with an overnight sail was our next stop. This must be the cheapest marina in the Met. €12 a night, and it's tucked beneath a rugged cliff. What a beautiful place. It's time to get going again. We were traumatized. It was November. Days were nice when the sun is out, but it was cold. We had an intruder trying to hitch a ride, and that lightened up our day. He's lost. You just have to come out and then he get out. Aww.
It's alright.
Did you get him?
Almost.
Up.
There he goes.
Up. Nah, he's in the other room.
God. So slippery. Buddy, come on. Look at him. So slippery.
Oh, should we feed him something before we let him go? He doesn't want to go.
We chose a day with so little wind, we motored most of the way to Gibraltar. We then needed a weather window fast. We had to join Ark Rally across the Atlantic, so we were on a schedule. This next sail was going to test us. 5 days Canary Islands, the longest sail to date. Gibraltar was really good. I can't believe I skipped this place on the way into the Med. Finding a good weather window out of Gibraltar to exit the Med is next to impossible, especially in November. So many things have to go right. You have winds, current, swell, and then 5 days of sailing in the Atlantic. With Ark Rally starting date approaching, we chose a day that promised some light winds for at least the first 2 days. We topped up our fuel tank in with some duty-free fuel from Gibraltar just before we left, anticipating that we were going to motor the first couple of days, and that is exactly what happened. So far, so good.
But then things got really tough. Cold, sleep deprivation, seasickness, and some horrific seas. I would much rather be in a washing machine. And to add to our misery, we ran into some fishing lines again, and we had to jump into the Atlantic Ocean under pitch darkness to untangle us, and that was scary.
The only thing that kept us going was the sunsets and the promise of a good sleep on the other end. We finally arrived. We made it to Gran Canaria. Morning, sunshine.
Morning.
We were battered, tired, and just plain over it. We did not know how we would continue. If someone gave us a way out at that point, we would have taken it. It was the lowest point in our journey for sure. Ark Rally was great. This is an event we signed up for the peace of mind, which we questioned with its high price tag and wanted to hate, but now we think you would be mad not to do the Ark if you're crossing the Atlantic. This is such a well-organized event. The parties, seminars, advice, safety, the atmosphere, the friendships, it's worth every cent. After only 10 days, we were completely recharged, ready and eager to cross the Atlantic Ocean.
See part 2 of the Atlantic crossing as we go through our safety gear and start off the rally.